how you can fix cannot connect to App Store problem on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first fix is just very simple. Just turn on your airplane mode and turn it off. Now after you do that, try opening up your App Store again and check if the problem is still there. And if it's still there, what you'll need to check is if you have turned on your Wi-Fi and your mobile data together. If that's the case, just turn one of those off. And after you do that, try opening up your App Store again. And that should fix the problem, but if it does not, we'll have to check if the App Store's, the Apple servers are running correctly. Now to do that, just open up a web browser and search for Apple System Support or Apple System Status. Now after you search that, just open up the Apple's link, and there you'll be able to see all of the Apple services and if they are operating normally. Now tap on the plus icon there and you'll see on the top App Store. Now it says available, so the servers are working fine. So if it says it's unavailable or if it's down, it's not your problem. The Apple will fix it from their side, and after they fix it, your Apple Store should be working fine. But as it says it's available right here, you'll have to do something on your own side. Now the next fix is just go to your settings and just scroll down till you find the screen time, and now just check off the restrictions. Go to restrictions and go to content and privacy restrictions. Now after you go to content and privacy restrictions, you'll be able to see all of the restrictions that you have placed on your App Store. Make sure that you turn all of those off. You can turn the content and privacy restrictions off altogether, but I don't recommend you guys doing that. So after doing that, try to open your App Store again, and if it does not work, now I'll show you guys the last fix. Now if the network is the main issue, what you'll have to do is just go to the general in settings and scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on it and tap on reset. Now just tap on reset network settings if network is the issue, and if it's not the issue, just tap on reset all settings. After you do that, your problem will get fixed and you'll be able to use App Store. And that is all for the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.